guys, I'm VJ Janine and welcome to the grand launch of the coolest new show on Mix, Coca-Cola Music Studio.
Oh yeah, prepare to get pumped up and energized as 4 of the hottest artists in the OPM scene refresh the way we listen to music. Right, Chino?
Tama ka dyan, Bianca. Makikisaya sa atin ngayon ang bandang Sponge Cola, Pedicab at sina Glock 9 and Kyla.
Wow.
They will perform live right here sa Coca-Cola Music Studio.
Oh wow, super excited na talaga akong mapanood sila. Actually guys, I'm just filled with positivity and good vibes right at this very moment.
Wow naman, and that's perfect because that's exactly what Coca-Cola Music Studio is all about. So if you guys live and breathe music just like us, this is definitely the show for you.
Coca-Cola Music presents the coolest and most refreshing half hour on Philippine TV, the Coca-Cola Music Studio. VJ Janine brings you an energizing mix of music from all over the Philippines and all over the world. VJ Bianca gives you the freshest updates on the coolest events and promos from Coca-Cola Music. While VJ Chino takes you to the Coke Music Studio, where your favorite OPM artists come up with exciting collaborations. So celebrate the joys of music with Coca-Cola and Mix, only here on the Coca-Cola Music Studio.
Well guys, teaser pa lang yan of what you can expect here on the Coca-Cola Music Studio.
Right, we have a lot of fun stuff in store for you guys, kaya samahan niyo kami dito every week.
At para sa grand launch natin, we have a mini concert featuring some of the best OPM acts.
Yes, and up first is a dance, punk, and electro rock band who has given us cool hits and uplifting anthems. Simulan na natin ang tugtugan with Pedicab!
Sandali! Napalipan ko na to, malakas ang hangin, sumasabog ang liwanag, lahat ng mahawakan sandok, kawali, plato, naging ginto, 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 ginto. Simulan mo na ang dapat mong ginawa ng umpisa. Gawin mo na ang dahilan na pinanganak ka. Simulan mo na ang dapat mong ginawa nung umpisa. Gawin mo na ang dahilan na pinanganak ka. Kumidlat, lahat ng dinaanan naging tsamante. Natulas sa gatas, nakasulat sa sahig ang simbolo ng agila. Lumilipad. Simulan mo na ang dapat mong ginawa ng umpisa. Gawin mo na ang dahilan na pinanganak ka. Simulan mo na ang dapat mong ginawa nung umpisa. Gawin mo na ang dahilan na pinanganak ka. Ito na ang panahon, ang pagkakataon. Ito na ang panahon, ang pagkakataon. Ang pagkakataon. Simulan mo na ang dapat mong ginawa ng umpisa. Gawin mo na ang dahilan na pinanganak ka. Simulan mo na ang dapat mong ginawa
kang bato? Ayoko na.